Number 5, factorize completely. So factorize, we just put it is, find the common factor. First, look at the number 8 and 2, they will give you 2, you get 4g minus g squared, and then the unknown g and g, take the g outside, you get 4 and g. So your factorize will be 2g, 4 minus g. This will be in the bracket. This will be outside the bracket. Yeah. I hope this discussion, along with the revision tips and answering strategies, will help you in your exam preparation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Best of luck with your studies, and I will see you again in next video.